y'all? My name's Carrie Mitchell with Beginner Dance Tutorials, and today we're gonna learn a trending TikTok dance to Meghan Trainor's Made Ya Look. At the time of this recording, this dance is all over social media, and I had a request for it, so I thought I'd put it here in a YouTube video. And we're gonna break down the steps nice and slow. It's a short routine. It's just the chorus to the song Made You Look. This is not my choreography. This is by Brooke and Jesse over on TikTok. And this video is going to be the tutorial only. So there's not going to be any music here. We're just going to break down the steps. But if you'd like to see what it looks like with music, or when you're ready to practice it with music, there's a separate video that I've linked down in the description below or up here in this card. Per usual, you can go check that out. The song does go with the music very well with the lyrics, but I'm going to count it for you because you do not want me to sing. So I will teach it to you with counts, and then when you're ready, I will also cue it in that music video, like I said, that's linked down below. Now I will stop talking so that we can dance to Made You Look by Meghan Trainor. Here we go. All right, so you're just gonna start, we're just swaying our hips right and left 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. For the first one, your right hand's gonna go on your hip. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna do a little chin pop or head pop on 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your right arm's gonna go out and you're gonna look at it on 5, 6. Then your left arm on 7, 8. Yeah, so we're going 1, 2, 3, head 4, right arm 5, 6, left arm 7, 8. And I am looking at the hands. 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, head 4, look 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna take your right arm and you're gonna slide your left arm up your right arm on 1, 2, and you're kind of sitting back into that right hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. You switch arms. So you're going up the right arm and then right arm goes up the left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna do another little head pop on 5. You're gonna hold the count of 6, and then on and 7 and 8 and, you're just gonna take your arms out and wiggle your hips. And 7 and 8 and. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7 and 8 and. So from the top, our hips go to the right. 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, chin 4, look 5, 6, 7, reach up 1, 2, 3, 4, head 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. You just did and 7 and 8 and. Remember, this is a TikTok dance. So if you're moving, you're doing it right. That's all you gotta do. Get up and move, have fun. And 7 and 8 and. Your footwork, you're gonna go step to the right, touch your left, step to the left, touch your right. As you step to the right, you're gonna take your right arm up to your left shoulder and throw it away to your right. Then you take your left arm to your right shoulder, throw it away to your left. So as you step to the right, you throw to the right, step to the left, throw to the left. That's on 1, 2, 3, 4, then you're gonna do 5 little marches, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, swaying your hips side to side. Right, left, left. The first 2 have no arms. 5, 6, on 7, 8, you're gonna bring your right hand up to your forehead here. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then on 1, we're gonna do another little pop, yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So this 8 count starts from here. 5, 6, 7, step to the right. 1, 2, 3. Hips sway. 5, 6, hands 7, 8, pop 1. Yeah. All the way back to the top. So you're gonna step to the right. 5, 6, hips to the right on 1, 2, 3, chin 4, look 5, 6, 7, pull up the arm. 1, 2, 3, another head pop, 5, hold 6, hips, 7 and 8, step 1, throw 2, 3, 4, hips, 5, 6, hands 7, 8, pop 1. Yeah. From here, you're popping 1, hold 2, then we're gonna step to your right, our collective right, 3, 4, 5. So you're just taking like a step with your hip to the right, 3, touch, 4, step out on your left foot, 5. And you're gonna take your focus, 3, 4, and then back to the front on 5. So again from here, this was 1, hold 2, step 3, touch 4, out 5, you're gonna nod your head, 6, 7, 8. 3 little head nods. 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So this is 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, step back out, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to the top, hips to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, chin, 4, look, 5, 6, 7, slide up your arm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 6, 7, and 8, step, throw, 2, 3, 4, hips, 5, 6, 7, head pops on, 1, hold, 2, turn, 3, 4, look, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're doing awesome. You're learning a TikTok dance. Look at you. You're up and moving. Be proud of yourself. So we did 6, 7, 8. You're going to step or jump back to the front. Left hand comes on your hip. Right arm goes up and you're swaying. 1, 2, 3, 4. So everything goes to the right, to the left. Yeah? And you jump into it or step into it if you don't want to jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand comes to your hip. We're going to do a big hip circle back around to the right corner. It starts 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They also get very excited on that part. So when you jump out, you get a big smile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then if you want, you go back to deadpan for this next step. We're going to add one more 8 count right here before going back. You're going to go back to step touch, right and left. You're going to take your right hand and fan yourself on 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm just going to kind of bring my right knee in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can kind of step on them. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever you're doing is perfect. So this was right touch, left touch, and then we bring the right foot in. We're going to make our hair a mess. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right touch, left touch, right and left. So those last 2 8 counts we learned, you ended here. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to jump back to the front. Right arm goes out. 1, 2, 3. Circle your hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step touch. Step, touch, then we wash our hair, or whatever this is. You're doing awesome. Back to the top, sway to the right. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, chin, 4, look. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, head. 5, hold, 6, hips, 7 and 8. Step, throw. 2, 3, sway your hips. 5, 6, hands, 7, 8, up, 1, hold, 2, turn, 3, 4, look, 5, 6, 7, jump back, and 1, 2, 3, circle the hips, 5, 6, 7, step, touch, fan your face, 2, 3, wash your hair, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your hair's all clean, you just washed it. You're gonna step, all you're doing here is you're just stepping on your right, touching your left. Stepping on your left, touching your right. Right touch left, left touch right. Right touch left, left touch right. That's all it is. But if you wanna make it a little fancier, as you step, it's like you're lifting your hip and circling it. Circle and sit. So it does one big circle. Then it rebounds and goes to the left. Circle and sit. Circle and sit. Circle and sit, circle and sit. To the left, to the right, or don't do the hips and just step touch. It doesn't matter, but you do 4 of those. So you washed your hair, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go step back on your right foot. So you gotta push off this left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8 count, last 5 counts. You're gonna hold 1, 2, you're gonna go and 3. So you're pointing to yourself, made you look. So you're going, that's on 3 and 4. You're jumping over your left shoulder, hands kind of come here, tucked into your elbows, tucked into your side, and you're just looking over your shoulder. You can nod your head, you can shake, whatever you wanna do there. And that's it. That's it, 10 minutes later. So we did 4 of these, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. And you can keep looking over that right shoulder. Fantastic job. So we're gonna go back to the top, but really quick, let's talk about this last section. So we face the front here, or the side, look to the front, 6, 7, 8, you jump back. 1, 2, 3, do 2 hip circles, 5, 6, 7, step, touch, fan, 2, 3, wash your hair, 5, 6, now we do that step touch, 1, touch, 2, 3, touch, 4, 5, touch, 6, 7, hold, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. I don't know if it's 3 and or and 3, but it's on made you look. Yeah? There are lyrics, I just don't want to sing them. For your sake, believe me. Here we go, from the top, nice and slow for your brain. Hips to the right, 5, 6, 7, hips right on. 1, 2, 3, chin, 4, look, 5, 6, 7, slide up. 1, 2, 3, 4, head, 5, hold, 6, hips, 7, and 8, step, throw it away. 3, 4, hip sway, 5, 6, arm, 7, head pop, 1, hold, 2, turn, 3, 4, look, 5, nod, 6, jump back to the front. 1, 2, circle the hips, 5, 6, 7, fan step, touch, 2, 3, wash your hair, 5, 6, 7, step, touch, right, left, left, right, 2 more, 6, 7, hold, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. Let's do it one more time from the top, a little bit faster, a little bit closer to the tempo. So we're gonna step out on 1, 2. You can do it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, chin, 4, look, 5, 6, 7, slide up. 1, 2, 3, 4, head, 5, hold, 6, hips, 7, and 8, step, throw. 2, 3, 4, walk, 5, 6, 7, head pop, 1, hold, 2, turn, 3, 4, look, 5, nod, 6, 7, jump on 1, 2, 3, circle, 5, 6, 7, fan, 1, 2, 3, wash your hair, 5, 6, 7, step, 1, touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and da, 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 da. Very, very nice. Fantastic job. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you got up and moved, because that's all that matters. If you were up and moving, then you were doing it right. It's a TikTok dance, y'all. It doesn't have to be perfect. Post it. If you want to post your own TikTok dance videos, do it. Don't let the judgment of strangers on the internet stop you from doing anything. Just post it if you want to, or if you just want to do it alone in your living room, that's fine too. I hope whatever brings you joy, that's the thing you're doing. But yeah, I really appreciate you learning this here with me. If you would like to see more tutorials like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And remember, if you're wondering, well, where do I do it with music? There's a separate video for that, and it's linked down in the description below, or it's all over social media. You can see it just about anywhere. Thank you again. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I hope to see you in another tutorial in the future. Bye, y'all.